Indonesia has a large area. There are hundreds of lakes in Indonesia. Almost every region in Indonesia has lakes, both natural and artificial, are called reservoirs. People usually call lakes with various names such as reservoirs, dams, lakes, and so on. Apart from being a source of water, lakes have various benefits for human life. Lakes can be used for various economic activities such as irrigation, transportation, fisheries, hydroelectric power, PLTA, even tourism objects and flood control. Here are some lakes in Indonesia that have very beautiful views and maybe your next destination. Toba Lake. Lake Toba is a large natural lake in Indonesia located in the caldera of Mount Supervolcano. The lake is 100 kilometers long, 30 kilometers wide, and 505 meters deep. This lake is located in the middle of the northern part of the island of Sumatra with a surface height of about 900 meters. This is the largest lake in Indonesia and the largest volcanic lake in the world. Lake Toba is the site of a supermassive volcanic eruption. They ate about 69,000 to 77,000 years ago, triggering global climate change. This eruption was the largest explosive eruption on Earth in the last 25 million years. According to the Toba catastrophe theory, this eruption had a major impact on human populations around the world. The impact of the eruption killed most of the humans living at that time and is believed to have caused population decline in Middle East, Africa and India, thus affecting the genetics of human populations around the world until now. Kalimantan Lake. Mount Kalimantan is a volcano located on the island of Flores, East Nusa Tenggara Province, Indonesia. This mountain has 3 crater lakes at its peak. This lake is known as the three-colored lake because it has 3 different colors, namely red, blue, and white. Even so, the colors are always changing with the passage of time. According to local people's beliefs, the colors on the Kalimantan lake have their own meaning and have a very powerful natural power. The lake or Tua Kalimantan is divided into 3 parts according to the colors in the lake. The blue lake or Tua Nua Muri Kufi is a gathering place for the souls of young people who have died. The red lake or Tua Polo is a gathering place for the souls of people who have died, and as long as they live they always do evil sorcery. While the white lake or Tua Mbupu is a gathering place for the souls of old people who have died. The residents around Lake Kalimantan believe that when the lake changes color, they must give offerings to the spirits of those who have died. The area of the 3 lakes is about 1,051,000 square meters, with a water volume of 1,292 million cubic meters. The boundary between the lakes is a narrow rock wall that slides easily. This wall is very steep with a slope angle of 70 degrees. The height of the lake walls ranges from 50 to 150 meters. Sentani Lake. Lake Sentani is a lake located in Papua, Indonesia. Lake Sentani is under the slopes of the Cyclops Mountains Nature Reserve, which has an area of about 245,000 hectares. This lake stretches between the city of Jayapura and Jayapura Regency, Papua. Lake Sentani, which has an area of about 9,360 hectares and is located at an altitude of 75 meters above sea level. Lake Sentani is the largest lake in Papua. In this lake there are also 21 small islands. Lake Meninjau means view or view in the Minangkabau language, is a caldera lake in Tanjung Raya Sub-District, Agam Regency, West Sumatra Province, Indonesia. Lake Meninjau has an area of 99.5 square kilometers, with a length of about 16 kilometers and a width of 7 kilometers. The average depth is 105 meters, with a maximum depth of 165 meters. Since 1983, the lake water has been used to generate the Meninjau hydroelectric power plant for West Sumatra. Singkarak Lake. Lake Singkarak is a lake that stretches across 2 districts in the province of West Sumatra, Indonesia, namely Salak Regency and Tanah Datar Regency. This lake has an area of 107.8 square kilometers and is the second largest lake on the island of Sumatra after Lake Toba in North Sumatra. Lake Singkarak is one of the results of the tectonic process which is influenced by the Sumatran Caesarean. This lake is part of the Singkarak Salak Basin, which belongs to the Sumatran Fault segment. The basin of this lake was formed from a subsidence caused by the movement of the Sumatran Fault. This large basin is dammed by volcanic material from the surrounding volcanic eruptions. As a result of damming this volcanic material, Lake Singkarak was formed in one part of the Singkarak Salak Basin. In contrast to Lake Meninjau, which was formed due to volcanic eruptions, Lake Singkarak was formed mainly due to tectonic processes. Ranu Kumbolo. Ranu Kumbolo, which means Lake Kumbolo, is a lake located within the Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park, East Java, Indonesia. This lake is part of the easiest route from Ranupani to the top of Mount Semeru. There is a camping area for hikers around this lake. Mount Semeru is the highest mountain on the island of Java, with a peak of Mahameru, 3.676 meters above sea level. This mountain was formed due to the subduction of the Indonesia-Australia plate under the Eurasian plate. Mount Semeru is also the 3rd highest volcano in Indonesia after Mount Kerinci in Sumatra and Mount Rinjani in West Nusa Tenggara. The crater at the top of Mount Semeru is known as Jonggring Seloko. Those are some of the lakes in Indonesia that have very beautiful views, and actually, there are many more lakes in Indonesia. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.